Most crypto lovers like myself started out with Metamask as our favorite wallet. However, we got disappointed realizing that Solana is not acceptable on Metamask until right now. I'm going to show you how to add Solana to your Metamask, your favorite Solana wallet, so that you can use Solana on your Metamask. And one good update that is available on Metamask right here. Metamask now support multi-coin wallet, meaning that you can actually open different chains on your Metamask and see cryptos on different chains on the same interface, just the way Trust Wallet operated previously. So I'm going to show you how to do all of that right now. So just smash the like button. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to go to your Metamask on your desktop and then open it. This is how it looks like. By now you should be seeing this advert right here, so you can easily click on it, enter a name, give your wallet a name, and then it will automatically generate a Solana address for your wallet. You could see mine there, right there. You could see the network right above there, Solana network. So it's been automatically added. However, you could just get the RPC details, the network details, and add it up manually. Okay, you could also import a wallet or add as many addresses as possible. So with that, now you have your Metamask address from same seed phrase, same Ethereum seed phrase on your Metamask. So now let's go over to the mobile version where you can see multi-coin wallet. Okay, so here now you go to your Metamask right here, and then you will have the opportunity to see cryptos on different networks at the same time. So you could see mine right there. I could see popular network, and all you need to do is to, if yours is not showing, is to update your wallet. You will see this particular option available right here. So now I can either view token on popular networks, on as many networks as possible, or I could view tokens on a current network. So if you have a specific network you already added, you could switch in between the multi-coin and the simple network, just as you can see me doing right there. So this option is, so for the sake of verification, let's switch back to the multi-chain so that I can actually show you that there are different tokens on other chains showing on the same Metamask interface. Now you can see this particular token is on Smart Chain, this agent is on Agent Chain, and let's go to on Ethereum. You can see Ethereum on Arbitrum Chain, Base Chain, Ethereum Chain, and any other chain. Okay, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try it out or if you already knew about this.